Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we are going to look at series completion. Are we together? We are going to look at series completion. This is where they give you a given series or a given patterns that are actually linked together and they want you to find the next one. For example, let's look at this. We have here 4, 6, 12, 14, 28, 30. Are we together? And they're actually telling us here to find the series or the next number that is here to complete this series. So when you look at this sequence here, when you try to see, if you try to add and you move here, you'll find here the difference is 2, next is 6, next is 2, next is 14, next is 2. So when you have such a pattern, just know that there is actually, you have to pick out a few and actually determine the series of the few. For example, for this case, you have to first pick out 4, you pick up 12, because if you follow this pattern here, the numbers are not constant. But now you have to pull out and put here, this is 4, this is 12, then you get 28, because that is the pattern that is actually making us to find the missing one. Are we together? And then after finding that out, we say, how does this pattern flow? Are we together? From 12 to 4, what is the difference? We are saying the difference is 8. Are we together? Then from 28 to this, what is the difference actually when you subtract here? We can see actually now the difference here is 16. Are we together? So when you look at this pattern, they're actually adding 2. This is actually 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4. Then the next one will actually be 2 to the power 5, which is actually 32. Are we together? So 32 plus 28 actually gives you 60. So our answer here will be 60. So when you see the patterns are changing, like here there is 2, the difference here, the difference is 6, the difference again is 2, here the difference is 14. Just know that try now to pick out a few and get the answer. For example, you may say, how do I get this? It's following the pattern of 4, 12, 28, this. If this one was given, it was another one, would have picked the pattern of 6, 14, 30, this, and then the other one, and try to find out what relates them. Let's look at the next one here. They give you, find the next number in the sequence is, they give you such big numbers. When you see a question of such big numbers, the trick here is that you look at the pattern of the first 3 numbers in front, and you also look at the pattern of the first 3 numbers behind. Most of the times the middle ones don't change. The pattern of this first and the last are the ones that determine how this sequence is moving. For example, for this case, if we look at the first 3, here we have 5, 8, 9. Are we together? Then the next one we have 8, 9. They've actually removed the 5. Are we together? Then the next one we have 8, 9. It's still the same, and again they move the 9. Are we together? So that means the pattern they are following here is that after when they remove the 5, their first goes 2, and then they remove the other later. So when you look here, this is 5. They first removed 5 and it went 2 times. Are we together? Now they've removed 8 and it's 9, so it has to go 9 2 times. Are we together? So it will be 9, 6, 5, 4. Are we together? Then you look at the pattern of the last numbers for them. The last numbers we have, this is 2, 3, 4. Are we together? Then the next one is this is 2, 3, 7. Then the next one is 2, 3, 7. Then they also remove 1, 2, 3, 2, 3. That means in the next one they'll also remove the 3 and remain with what? 2. Are we together? 2. So this is the answer. So if they give you such long numbers and they want you to meet the next number in the sequence or the pattern, you have to look at the first 3 and the last 3. Look at how they are moving and determine which number. Then next they are saying, study the pattern and fill in the blank spaces to complete the series. So here you just study the pattern. Here we are having S, C, D, T, E, F, U, G, H, dash, W, K, L. Are we together? And here we're having B, K, S, D, D, J, T, F, I, U, H, H, V. So let's start with the first one. And look at, this is the alphabet, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, O, P, Q. This is R. When you look at the first one, S, T, U, That means the next one will be here V, W. Then let's look at the next ones here. We're having A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So it will be I, J, K, L. So that's how you determine the pattern of these. Are we together? Next one, for example, they've given us B. So here we see A, B, B. Then they jumped C, they put D, they jumped E, F, I, H, K, L. So here it will be L. Are we together? So you are doing K, S, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. So here they are following A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. So we have to determine what comes before H. So that means it will be A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So here it will be G, H, I, J, K. Are we seeing that? Then let's go to the next one. This is S. R, S, T, U, V, and the next one will be W. Thank you very much. If you found this video helpful, please put in the comment section below, and if you have any questions, they will be answered.